Hey guys, I'm Chef Joya and this is Cooking with Compare. I am a vegan personal chef based in Charlotte, North Carolina. When we pick our avocado, we want to make sure we use a ripe avocado. And a good way to show that you have a great ripe avocado is if you pick the little end stem of the avocado, you'll see it, and it actually have the color of what the avocado is inside. So this one is a very pretty avocado. Look at the beautiful green. All right guys, we have everything we need, so let's go ahead and go to the kitchen. I'm going. I can't wait to see what that looks like because I'm like, oh.